Welcome to today's market updates. Today Nifty closed at 17,721.50 where there was a change of minus 0.24. Today Sensex closed at 60,286.04 where there was a change of minus 0.37. Today Bank Nifty closed at 41,490.95 where there was a change of minus 0.30. Today Nifty IT closed at 30,310.70 where there was a change of minus 0.33%. In NSE there was 844 advances and 1,187 declines. Now we will see top 5 gainers in Nifty. Adani Enterprises, an increase of 15.28%. Dr. Reddy, an increase of 1.94%. Adani Ports, an increase of 1.93%, Kotak Bank an increase of 1.43%, IndusInd Bank an increase of 1.0%. Now we will see top 5 losers in Nifty. Tata Steel, there was a decrease of minus 5.32. Hindalco there was a decrease of minus 4.02. ITC there was a decrease of minus 2.61. Hero MotoCo there was a decrease of minus 1.74. Maruti there was a decrease of minus 1.66. Now we will see the top 5 stocks which are most active. In terms of value, in lakhs, Adani Enterprises, it was traded 15.28% higher. Adani Ports it was traded 1.93% higher. Reliance it was traded minus 0.31% lower. Tata Steel it was traded minus 5.32% lower. Bajaj Finance it was traded 0.82% higher. Now we will see the top 5 stocks which are most active. In terms of volume, Tata Steel, where there was a change of minus 5.32%, Adani Ports where there was a change of 1.93%, ITC where there was a change minus 2.61%, Adani Enterprises where there was a change 15.28%, Hindalco where there was a change minus 4.02%. Following companies in the table are the companies providing dividends. Note the ex-date and record date carefully and do the needful. Thanks for watching this video. See you tomorrow with more market updates.